Hey guys, it's Brad from Earlywood here. In front of me I've got maybe the last set of utensils you'll ever need to buy. This is our cooking spoon and our scraping spoon. It's got this elongated corner here, which A, makes the bowl bigger and gives you two different radiuses to scrape the inside of your pan. And we pair this with our scraper spoon. It's got this sharp front on it, and you've got 1.5 inches or so of scraping edge on it. We got the idea from our Terra scraper, and it's actually got the same angle and the same thickness of a tip there. So with the set, you've got this larger radius, one even smaller, and one real small. Of course, it's made out of one solid piece of maple, so it's super strong. No matter what kind of pans you use, these things will get in there and get everything out. Together, they do almost everything in your kitchen. You can serve, you can stir, you can scoop. With the flat end on this, you can scrape. That's flat and thin enough you can even chop with this. We know that you might be looking around our website and you're not sure what to get. This is a guarantee. You're never gonna go wrong with this set. These two are right-handed. We also make them in a left-handed version, so if you're a lefty, we got you covered there. So if you're not quite ready to stock out your kitchen with every gadget you can think of, get these two spoons and you're 90% of the way there.